Hello, on behalf of our team at 101 Voice, an IT Management Corporation brand, I invite you to visit us at Booth 410 at the 2019 MISAC Annual Conference in Monterey. We are grateful to be part of this exciting event and look forward to sharing some very exciting topics with you during MISAC. Topics such as our award-winning business class hosted VoIP solution, 101 Voice, what Privet LTE can do for your organization now that it has finally become available for commercial use in the United States, how the dark web can cause damage to your organization, and what we can do to help determine if your organization or any of its members have been compromised on the dark web. As always, we look forward to the tech talks, technology challenges that you may be facing, and the opportunity to make new friends. As you may know, IT Management Corporation's primary focus is in providing infrastructure connectivity and communication along with many specialized solutions, such as video conferencing, virtualization, network security, wireless and voice over IP to state and local government agencies, as well as educational institutions and large corporations. IT Management holds many technology-related master contracts, such as CMAS, MICTA, SPUR, and ITMSA, as buying vehicles that enable you to save time and money by eliminating the cumbersome and costly RFP process. At our booth, we will be exhibiting our 101 Voice Cloud Communication System, which has been the recipient of many prestigious industry awards, including the most recent 2019 Internet Telephony Hosted VoIP Excellence Award. If you are experiencing any challenges with your existing phone system or phone system provider, please let us show you a better solution. In fact, we are so confident that our unified communication system offers the best price and service to not only meet but exceed your expectations that we will send you our new executive IP860G business class phone with 3 months of free service to qualified candidates. So RSVP at MISAC101voice.com and come to booth number 410 to pick up your phone. We are proud to be among the very first national providers of Privet LTE using the newly opened wireless band 48 by FCC at CBRS. CBRS is a huge game changer for many organizations, and as Wi-Fi has become the standard method of communication, CBRS will close the gap and provide a better alternative when Wi-Fi is unable to deliver the necessary coverage or quality. As a member of the CBRS Alliance and a CBRS certified professional installer, we are excited to speak with you about how we can help you plan and deploy this amazing new technology. Last but not least, IT Management Corporation has expanded its security practices, and during MISAC, we will provide you with a sneak peek into the dark web. We all know what kind of difficulties your organization can be facing if your user information gets into the wrong hands. And to avoid that, you need to have the right metrics and intelligence to combat such risks. For a limited time, we will check your domain name in the dark web and report back to you any findings, such as passwords of your users compromised, birth dates, social security, and other personal information. Please come visit us at booth number 410. We are very good at what we do, and we would love to get to know you and work with you.